Lebih goto wargek.
Kayu aja koto.
Jam pap.
Kalas.
Eh.
Ada kita ne tiang gek le kadi magek.
Hmm.
Aya ting. Ci golasa. War ka ne je ku tem ko. Ka wala ko. Ko ya tag yum de ni. Ko burera ka. Kina di de dom. Ko ska yeji bana shu chok dale. E wege ting to batakala. To batakala. Kin gana kwany. A ci gere. Ta war chele. Wera shu lirni. Ei ku tak ji dong eta ger anen ko le be wo bai ko gi kele bi nyai lona da ta da di mana ka yo robe lwelda ge gwane na ko idier a ci diang ban lui wasala ka shukran le
Na mun ku chage bu jai da ko. E ngo ban ya de no mutan wal bu pol kala.
Ge ke ci lo e first layer so second layer en bu ban loy en ne merinin ne mertalata bu ban yatte dan ne merarba e maram ke neni upong nyal tiom tit chigam tiom malwal det ben pogo nom nyal belab ya nemer sita ke ka won bi ge bu pi bu ka galong pi ka chu baglong ka chu baglong tura abi diang we ke kalba da belo bu ge bu ge dema so aka bo ge kan loy
Ram won mor wala woni dala tingla ku tiela bit ya engineer ka balwela ke ran lo mo.
Labor lege because ran chol with bende long ko company my work is dumping and it job the jog yeten to lo yeten yan ye nyot yol the jugara bi ten yan ye lo ka lo because an chin engineer lakin the way dalti in kia pyo tin bangi yan ye lo ba dumping ba lo ki sara bi
Te vi na pokwinden. In chugle.
shukran le
Yes. Ai no ngoti dongo ke yo ko ba ko mo to nin ka chege.
because ko lo ge ka daga den bi bana ta ko ban ba bi ko mo to nin
Na ku ko nyi ke mor wala woni.
no chin ke le bu ko nyan because ke den ku nyan ge ke lo
Ko chin de.
otherwise chawo ja jala dia ko kwany nom chawo moto dia ka kwany nom
Amen ela de no.
so ana la de wir ko dan ta to war chol wuri ya kan di jam pete anta to wona ta jatinga da rifiu
Oye na che wadu fi abora tit.
no wo ki go ki bana yer ku ko tu ke ko jige pi wa chi bai won ta o na chi bai ka yitok ka chi chin communication jiro ba lo gwa nyar balo wir anda to
Amen ko ngochi ke masur ko go be.
e masur ke lo ko che masur lo ruda ke na tin e ye to ka chi le masur gor bin to ya pi ga tik ka le be la ran lo bala de
Ai ra wi bu fo len ko nyena ko ge wi bu ko nye.
no ran ga ban ko wi bu ban ne breni ka ga kan wi bu nar to bu pa de ka par nyoko dan ku nar ku yin ran ja tu kwa ni ku ran ja be ga wul dal ke ni junub te dingla
Bija clear.
Coi cháu gương nó chỉ được phiếu.
ko chal gang no ka war nyang wi war len shukran le
Yeah, viewers, thank you so much. I've spoke to one of the dumpers officer, Ben Morwela Wendit, who is in charge of some work within the construction of this 12 kilometers road from Rolbol to our coach. And of course, he has outlined the process of construction the road, that after connecting, saying that surely he has assured us that probably by Monday they will be in a coach market, and if after reaching to the coach market they will start by putting off the first layer, second layer, third layer, and then maram to the culvert would also be added here for the water, to allow the movement of the water within the swamp, not to cut off the road. So, which is a good information to the local populations here. We has also added that if there are wall wishes, and the government, they can also fix it up by putting off some boreholes, some hand pumps for the local to consume clean drinking water, which is the next one. And of course, in this area, the security is well. They are living in a good coexistence with their neighboring communities. You can see the cows are grazing here, and among others. So it is a credible job, and the community has appreciated the World Organization for actually putting up this construction within a Koch community. And Bit also said that if there is ways that the road from Koch to Tumakon up to Panuk can be connected, they will really appreciate. So those are the few messages I have received from opinions of local populations here, and thank you. We'll give you more update.